In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail with Higgsfield AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow to turn an idea into a polished, clickable thumbnail using the image tool, keeping it simple, clear, and focused so you can repeat the process anytime. First, open your browser and head to the Higgsfield AI website. On the homepage, look along the top navigation and choose Image. This switches the workspace into the art and photo generator we'll use for thumbnails, giving you a clean prompt box and all the key controls in one place. Start by typing your prompt. Think like a director. Clearly describe the subject, the emotion, and the composition you want. For a compelling thumbnail, mention a strong focal point, bold contrasting colors, and simple backgrounds so text overlays stay readable. Add lighting cues like dramatic rim light or soft studio light, and specify the style, such as photorealistic, cinematic, or bold illustrative. Include any must-have elements like a surprised expression or a product close-up, and call out anything to avoid if it could clutter your frame. Keep it short but specific. One or two focused sentences usually perform better than a long paragraph crammed with ideas. Next, choose the model. If you see options for lightweight versus full models, the lighter one is great for quick drafts and speedy iterations, while a higher capability model tends to capture finer details and produce more refined edges. Pick the option that best matches your style and time budget. Set the quality level. Standard quality is perfect for brainstorming and fast tests. High quality takes a bit longer but can deliver cleaner lines, richer textures, and fewer artifacts, useful when you're close to your final look and care about sharpness at small sizes. Choose the aspect ratio. Thumbnails are typically 16:9 in landscape, which fits most video platforms. Selecting 16:9 helps you frame important elements correctly and avoids unexpected cropping later. Center your main subject slightly off-center to leave space for any headline text, and avoid tiny details near the edges where they're easy to cut off. When everything looks set, click Generate. Give it a moment to render, then evaluate the result with your goal in mind. Does it read instantly at small sizes, and does the subject pop? If not, tweak a few words in your prompt, adjust the model or quality, and generate again until it nails the look you want. That's the complete flow for making a strong thumbnail with Higgsfield AI.